If you want to find and manage vibration settings on your Motorola smartphone, all you have to do is you need to go to settings on your phone and then in here search for sound and vibration option. Now in this place you should be able to scroll down a little bit, and for example we can find the vibration section in here. You can for example enable the vibrate mode icon here on the status bar at the top of the phone, so whenever you have a vibration mode enabled you can see it. But besides that, you can also tap on vibration and haptics in order to, for example, completely disable the alt vibration if you want to turn it off. You can of course adjust all different vibrations on your phone as well, like for example we have the ring vibration slider, so we can move left and right in order to adjust it. We have a couple of additional options. We have notification vibration, alarm vibration, we have the touch feedback which can be adjusted in here, and the media vibration. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.